Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to frame assessments based on learning objectives. Now I'll walk you through the steps to ensure your assessments align perfectly with your learning objectives. Before we dive in, let's quickly review what learning objectives are. Learning objectives are clear, specific statements that define what learners are expected to learn and achieve by the end of a lesson or course. Once you have clear objectives, the next step is to align your assessments with these objectives. Choosing the right type of assessment is crucial. For knowledge check, you might use multiple choice questions. For skills application, consider project-based assessments. Match the assessment type to what you want to measure. To ensure consistency and clarity in grading, create assessment criteria and instructions which will help learners understand what is expected of them and provide a fair way to evaluate their work. Finally, review and revise your assessments to ensure they align with your learning objectives. Ask yourself, do these assessments measure what I intend them to? Are they fair and accessible to all learners? To wrap up, remember, start with clear learning objectives. Align your assessments with these objectives. Choose the right type of assessment. Use instruction to ensure clarity, and always review your assessments. By doing this, you'll create more effective and meaningful learning experiences. Thank you for watching.